Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and case sample of Actio personalis moritur cum persona. Let's dive right into it. Actio personalis moritur cum persona is a Latin legal maxim that translates to a personal action dies with the person. This principle refers to the legal rule that certain types of civil claims or causes of action extinguish upon the death of the person who had the cause of action. In other words, if someone had a personal claim against another person, and they pass away, that claim cannot be pursued or continued by their heirs or representatives. The principle is based on the idea that personal claims are inherently linked to the individual, and when that individual dies, the claim cannot be transferred to another person or entity. Instead, the claim ceases to exist. Application. The application of Actio personalis moritur cum persona varies depending on the legal jurisdiction and the specific type of claim involved. It generally applies to certain tort actions, such as claims for personal injuries or defamation, as well as certain breach of contract claims. In some legal systems, there are exceptions to this rule. For instance, wrongful death statutes in some jurisdictions allow the deceased person's estate or surviving family members to bring a new cause of action for the damages they have suffered due to the individual's death. Case sample. A common example of Actio personalis moritur cum persona could be a situation where someone is injured in a car accident and decides to pursue a personal injury claim against the at-fault driver. If the injured person were to pass away before the claim is resolved, the personal injury claim would typically terminate, and their estate or heirs would not be able to continue the lawsuit on their behalf. However, let's consider a jurisdiction with a wrongful death statute. In this case, the deceased person's estate or surviving family members might be able to file a wrongful death claim against the at-fault driver, seeking compensation for their loss due to the person's death, such as funeral expenses, loss of financial support, or emotional suffering. It is essential to note that the application of Actio personalis moritur cum persona and any exceptions can vary depending on the specific laws and regulations of the jurisdiction in question. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.